We are going to learn how to plot a pie or circle graph in Excel. This is the data table I drew from last week's Apple company's income statement. I simplified the data. I just pick total income, cost of revenue. Cost of revenue is the cost uh, direct, directly relates to the production of goods and service. Operating expenses is uh, uh, mostly is just the company's overhead. Interest expense. How could Apple has interest expense? Because even Apple company is so big and has tons of money, it still need to borrow money from the bank. So uh, Apple need to pay the interest. Tax, net income. Actually, this is the company's income and expenditure composition. This data table. Now we are going to visualize this data table by a pie graph. Uh, we only want to plot the years of 2017. Select this data. If you add all this data up, you shall get this number, the total income. And insert pie. Select pie. We got this one. But it looks too simple. We need to add more elements on. First, we need to put the category on this. So what we do is create the pie, or double click or right click. Add select data. Look at here, category axis label. Here we put this. We choose this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and click OK. What? We got the category, and then we right click the pie and click add data labels. Oh, we got the data labels on, and better. Okay, let me make the chart look bigger. Make the chart look bigger. Okay. We might want to just put the category name into the slide. How could we do that? Click the pie, or double click or right click, and format data labels. Choose format data labels. We got this window, and from here we select category name. Wow, now we got a category name on into the slide. That looks very nice. And we choose percentage. Wow, we even got a percentage on this chart on the pie on the into the slide. It looks very nice. And if we choose legend key, we got a little square here, but I don't think we need this. Cancel it. And then for the best fit, that's fine. And for the percentage, we might want 2 decimal place. How to do it? We choose number. And general. The thing is add general. Add percentage. Oh, a percentage is default setting. Now, decimal place, we have two decimal place. That looks very nice. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, now we have a looks very beautiful pie chart, and here the category looks is not necessary, so we right click it and delete, because we already put a category here. And pie chart, create a pie chart. We give this pie a name, just say apple income composition, income, and expenditure composition. Okay, we are done.